Hey, what's up? This is SpinRush C1. Thank you for coming and for checking out this video. I always appreciate that. As you know, if you've been following me at all, I posted a video about a week or so ago when I got all the parts to the shop, the HKS intercooler, the L-spec exhaust, the HKS SQ4 blow-off valve, the Venturi air box. We added an oil catch can by HPI. And we wrapped a lot of the piping and stuff, so it's been really great. Unfortunately, the first day we drove out, I mean, everything was just amazing. The exhaust sound is amazing. The Venturi air box, that airflow, that pressure is just so nice. The car sounds amazing. However, that first night, as we were coming back, we were kind of going a little bit fast, overtaking, and yeah, we had to check engine light. I actually had to take the car to Honda. And basically, it has a lot to do with the ECU, the settings for the ECU by Honda, for the boost levels, okay? So you've got all this airflow going into the car, and the L-spec exhaust, I think there is a possibility that the diameter of the pipe might not be sufficient for that much boost, that much airflow going out. And so we're gonna take a look at that this week when we take the car to Honda again. We're actually going to take that pipe off, take a look at the connections one more time, and see how that goes. But again, the car sounds amazing. And actually, I wish you guys could hear it. So what I did was, of course, I've got this DJI Osmo, and I'm actually going to mount this in the car really soon. And that way I can record the drive, definitely. Other than that, the HKS SQ4 blow-off valve did not fit. The installation did not. It wasn't a bad installation. It's just the problem was the Venturi air box is so big, and the HKS piping has this little stem. That stem is about, I'd say about anywhere between 1.5 to 2 centimeters. It's quite tall. And what happens is when you try to put the hose down, the HKS hose on it, the Venturi airbox will not fit down. It's really tight in that area. Again, with so much pressure, I think the blow-off valve is necessary, and we are going to try to install it. And the solution was found, thankfully, from people on civicx.com. That is just the best website. If you have a Honda Type R, if you have a Civic Si, you got to go to civicx.com. If you have a question, they probably have the solution. Somebody's already done it. I'm not the first, but somebody's already done it. And so here's the solution that they posted. So a couple things I wanted to pick up. Okay, is first, we had to cut the heat shield when we installed the turbo blanket. We installed a turbo blanket, and the heat shield would not go down. We ended up painting that heat shield after we cut it. And that was great. It's working out really well. I might not have to do anything with it, but just in case, I got another heat shield. Now this is a genuine Honda OEM heat shield. This is the top part right here, but this is ceramic coated, okay? So it's a little bit better. This is where the O2 sensor is going to come down. If necessary, if I need to cut this again and do it again, but have this ceramic coating part, that'll be a lot better. Let's take a look at another piece here. So this is the top of the downpipe right here. And this other part we did not have. I'm going to install this later, probably this week. This also goes on the downpipe, but it's much further down. And really, if you're going to do this, if you're going to put this on, you probably end up having to take your bumper off. But yeah, I wanted this piece as well. You can find that at evasivemotorsports.com. I'm living outside Japan, so yeah, I was a little bit worried because when you order things on their website, basically it doesn't say that you can ship outside the United States. But if you contact them directly, they were really kind, they're really helpful. They'll do a PayPal thing with you, and you can get the part you need, and they'll add in the shipping, and it works out just fine. FedEx delivery. I ordered this 4 days ago, and I got it on a Friday. So, doing work. They're doing work there. They're getting you the parts that you need. Now, again, going back to the topic of the Venturi airbox and the HKS blow-off valve, which I really want to use. I want that additional sound. I mean, that is just basically a toy, but I want it. We had to get this adapter kit, and we're gonna have a look at this in just a bit. But basically, this adapter kit here, it looks like they're using a shorter hose, so it's not as high as the HKS hose that they provided. And also they did provide another little mount adapter here, so basically if I need to move it back a little bit more, I'm glad they gave this to me. It means I don't have to go to a home center and try to figure this out myself, but again, they included everything that I needed here for that. So that's going to be the next thing we're going to do after we do the diagnostics. Trying to figure out where that air pressure problem is within the system. Is it the exhaust? Is it defective? We're going to find out. We're going to get the solution. That's what tuning is. Anybody who's tuning a car, you're going to have to deal with that. You're going to find something's not right. You need to calibrate something. You need to find where that error is. And once you get it done, then you're going to have the perfection that you really want. But yeah, this is one of the solutions that I'm going to do next. So again, always thank you very much if you're watching this video. I'm just making these videos so that I can help other people just like me. If it's informative for you, go ahead, hit the like button on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to talk more. If you have any comments or questions, put it right down there below and I'll get this up and I'll respond to you as soon as I can. Okay? Anyway, you guys have a great day. Drive safe. Spin Rush C1. Peace.